Hi boys and girls, so you just got done with the slides for today. So I am going to walk you through this. So let's start off by writing our name. And you just need to use the select tool today because, you can write right on the document. All right, so now writing decimals. So write the decimal for each number in word form. So this says 9/10. So when we use decimals, we're going to use 0, and then the decimal, and for tenths, it's going to be right after the decimal. So it would be 9, because 9/10. Okay, for this, it's 12 hundredths. So 0, decimal, 12. 2/10. 0, decimal, 2. And then 7 hundredths. Now this one is a little different. So it's a 0, decimal, then the tenths place needs a 0, and then hundredths is next. So then we put a 7. All right, I would like you to try the rest, and then I'm going to show you some. Now it's asking for word form. So we know that here after the decimal is tenths, so this is in the hundred spot. So we're going to write 7 hundredths. Okay, so I know that after the decimal is tenths. So this is 4 tenths. Again, the 5 is right where the 4 is, so it would be in the tenths. So 5 tenths. And then this one, we know that is the hundredths place, so it would be 50. Oh boy, sorry about that, 52 hundredths. Okay, so make sure that when you complete the paper, sorry about that, that you then go ahead and submit it so I can check it. Thank you.